amigiri jechikosi ao bunabono building and construction kusubwagachi abwasiba kwegeria ubwagachi bw'ikinyumba naboigo ebiwanda ao kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking gusi obusoni bw'ekiyanga n'ebintu ao abu ase bari na mbeyemo asugutwara kimashine echekerero nebinde binge nkwegeria bare amangana a beauty and hair dressing aigon nkwegeria bare igoria pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yende amange ICT aigano institute ye ebwatachi computer nebintu ebinge by'okwegeria ICT gwetania skuru ndiyunsi era sorgongoroiga
asamalieta nkuru kwa alpato maliba mwalimu manne Getembe Technical Training Institute serikali yakolire bya sana asogotwa institution yegocha saya asengencho etagete komenta ochusi ase abana bali bakole skuru ase isemi cyobufundi nabo boliri moleta abana wache skuru linde banyore system cyobufundi byamo
boigon kwegeria bare electrical engineering power option boigon neroro asaba kwegeria iguriye chinguru cyomorero bwestima na kubeka chinguru echo ase emeche nechi company ao secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyingi munabono social work human resource management na nigo bakora chikosi echi ase ebiringo bya artsan use short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokia babwate obumanyi bebirengo bikromono mbayitirine wizarega megeria yega nabo ndebwensi akwegerigwa inchobono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate no mumurore usino mweseke Getembe Technical Training Institute nikikotoka kilomita eyemoyoka kurosomochi omogwawa asepare nene yilami yakoro ikonge kogenda chebera
inche Kennedy Mongare Ngaga, a Dean of Student, Getembe Training Institute. Iga karokwaretro mwana wa Getembe security gere guarantee. At present, abana tuwate 600 in all the departments. Togosa. Na yonyolire koleto mwana atuare skills tokonye Kenya.
Asamange bakiresimi ase namba 0713985300. Getembe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance.
Omwanchwa omurigiriria no mugasonde omuya ni kwariganiria tunyagusangamo naye Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chingaki lyabere litukuri nene anene imeyense ya Kenya asokubwa tokwa kwa matemu yaborokiwa bo mwaka era bwechirwe 2025 amatemu a KCSE litukuri lero omuwaziri bwechisemi omusikemi gosio gambani gara omurobelio yo bokubwa tokama chibu chinga kibono ni maete baiboli na borokiwa bali babete bagwisaransa matemu abange babo bagendete kwiroberia sokumanya niki bakorete ase omwako yoiga kenda mona inchigo ikomwelio tusangamo naye tumanye na rali na kwariganirie kura semesa ya mangana maya rali nenkuru kwa Dipon na Asanya sense mujebi manyelio ni gotokubaterana na Vanessa Nyaboke togende amo goika omwelio Gochaka bene lituko lya lero omuwaziri w'echisemi migosio gambani gara omurobelio bwoko bwatoka amachibu ya matemwa amanene a KCSE ayo mwako eta ime yensemelia ya Eldoret gose awashnigishu chingaki abwatoka matemwa ywe ase chiabisi chinke chioko bwatoka matemu ase skuru ye secondary ya eskuru ya secondary chinsemecho asabwatoka amatemu naborokiwa chiribu chimikianda mirongo kianda na batatu abo babete bagwisaransa amatemu amanene yo mwako yo aborokigwa bakorete buya gose banyorete chi grade chia A's na aborokigwa eribwe yemo chimi kianda 32 asegotebekana aborokigwa ekerengo kia 50 igoro yemia nigo baringe abaiseke abo barorekanire boigo okoria buya chinsemo ao ase chi subject ao aborokigwa chiribu Ibere na 50 na Ibere nigo babete bakonyora a grade gie C+ and above abo barabe bago joinia ase G University ao anene ase omwako yoiga bunenchire ya moyo kwegenderere na konyora chisemi chinsemo ao.
Ladies and gentlemen, during the 2025 KCSE examinations, 993,226 candidates sat the examination compared to 962,512 candidates in the year 2024. This represents an increase by 30,714 candidates, which is an increase of 3.19%. Of the 993,226 candidates who sat the 2025 KCSE examinations, 492,012 were male, while 501,214 were female, representing 49.54% and 50.46% of the total candidature, respectively. This is the second year in a row since inception of the KCSE examinations that female candidates are more than male.
Gukwana ase chigo kichicho kubwatu kama temu nigo bakwanira gose nigo akwanira igoro yo kubwatu kwa wechibesa rekorwa ase serikali uninchire yo kwirobiria gusira sector yichisemi chibesa kwananwa gochia ase chiskuru iliyo gusira free basic education model atebirenga ase ntunde Tanganyika gima nige skuru gose serikali yabetege kubwatu kachibesa gochia ase chiskuru nyuma abarokibwa batere na ase chiskuru uninchire yokorokia emirobiri miye bekiraroro no kuyarigania wokoenekenga abarokiwa nganyara bale amasomabo mechandende tayo.
We also continue to support our learners with capitation in fulfillment of the government's obligation to provide free and compulsory basic education. For this school year, for instance, we released the sum of 44.2 billion shillings as capitation for learners in all public basic education institutions ahead of school opening. This is the first time that capitation has been disbursed before schools open. Heads of institutions are expected to ensure prudent use of these public resources for the benefit of learners and to desist from imposing any extra levies or fees upon parents. The candidates whose results were released today are now expected to transit to tertiary institutions, either in universities or TVET institutions. At the tertiary level, we are implementing the student-centered funding model by which the government supports students and trainees by way of scholarships and loans depending on the level of need of each learner.
Korengana noroboti ruwa bwato kwali tuko lero na omoteneri gusomu waziri bwechisemi migosio gamba nigate birenga omwako yoigani gabarokigwa gwetanie 24 abarokigwa babete ba komenta abarokigwa chiribu 24 barokanete ba komenta asomu barolia bwa barokigwa bakogenda chi university ase omwako ereto 2024 korengana no mwako yo erete o 2025 aseboigo akwanira gati ya gati yeri tengoria beteri kororekana chinga kia borokigwa baringe gokora matemu asebaria babete bago kagerwa kogenda maminchaneri chikasoko buna amachiko anena sogo turubana na mangana ya matemu sebona tebirenga goika babe bakwirerwa egetambo kiregetindi korengana neri chiko aseboigo akwanira igoro yabo babete bakobekwa biara chinga kia matemu agenderete.
The number of candidates with direct university entry qualifications of mean grade C+ and above was 270,715, which is 27.18% in the year 2025 KCSE examination. This is an improvement compared to 246,391, which was 25.53% in the year 2024. I wish to reiterate that our stand on the integrity of examinations in November last year, we indicated that there were reported cases under investigation and that action would be taken upon conclusion of the investigations. At the conclusion of the KCSE examination, 1,180 candidates were found to have been involved in examination irregularities. Consequently, and in line with the applicable law and regulations, their examination results have been cancelled.
Ekeombe keria getenenete amatemwa a ime yense nigo giachakire kwebeka tayari asa matemwa yo mwako yoiga ayo nkorengana na Dr. David Njengere oyore omutineneri wekeombe kyo oyuba ono boigo ruro kuboria gochia ase chiskuru gosabateneri be chiskuru na boigo abaiboli kweroberia ange kegima na boigo abaiboli koene kianga aborokiwa nkweli kabare asa matemu a kipsea kejisea amonaria a KCSE nigo boigo omutineneri oyo atebire buna amatemwa yo mwako yoiga nigo akorwa mwako yoiga niga araete arakorekane gochakira chinsemo nigo arakorekane se chiskuru ao chinga kiboigo akwaneire aboiborio kwenekia ngaborokiwa babo berikirie asa matemwa chiskuru engana yabereke koreta liberera kerokende aboibori waka chiskuru chinga kicho kwelikia ya etire ochia ase wizara yechisemi.
And say that our biggest challenge is always registration of candidates. And I wish to take this opportunity to invite every parent who has a child entering grade 6, grade 9, and Form 4 this year. Please take an interest in finding out if your child has been registered. We are going to open the portal for registration in February, and this will happen between February and March. CS, sometimes we get parents calling us a month to the exam saying, I've just discovered my child was not registered. That makes our life very difficult. So please, we want to appeal to all parents. Please make sure that you check with the institutions. If you have a child in grade 6, grade 9, and Form 4 this year, ensure your child has been.
Chingaki chiocho o muwaziri wechisemi migosio gambani gakwanera okurikwa kwa borokia a sechiskuru. Engana tebire nga bune serikali nigo yeroberetie na kwenekia nga aboroki wankonyora bale amasomo buna egwenerete gati abo nigakwanera amagenderero gose sector yechisemi buna genderete gokinya ebirengo byechisemi chiskuru ao asobwagachi weji laboratory na boigo aboroki wa komentwa bune nchireyemo yokwenekia nga ase omusimu yiga ogenderete OCBC oikiranire ase kerengo keli kewenerete na boigo aboroki wa banyorire biribigwenerete anena sokwarigania senior secondary gose grade 10 eyo yachaka omwako yoiga.
These reforms are geared towards transforming the delivery of learning and teaching in order to nurture and build every learner's potential and to equip them with the skills and competencies necessary for life in the 21st century. Ladies and gentlemen, as we gather here today, the government has employed a record 100,000 teachers since 2023, with 24,000 of these teachers recruited this year. A record total of over 25,000 teachers have also been promoted. To better prepare our teachers for the rollout of the competency-based education, our teachers have been retooled and reoriented to the new system. The primary objective is to strengthen teaching and learning in our schools and consequently to improve our education outcomes. In order to enhance access, we are expanding infrastructure across our basic education institutions. In the financial year 2024-2025, we built a record 23,000 classrooms across the country to support the transition of the first grade 9 cohort. This year, we will construct a total of 1,600 laboratories in various senior schools in order to support practical learning.
Umwanchua umurigiriria roboti uruo na rurogo toikia omwerio Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono mugaso ekerere chitariki kianda cy'umutinyo mutangani bw'umwako yoiga bw'ichiru Ibere 25 nemo nimenyete ngana mange arabega kogenda kurwa bono go ikamarogo bakobwatekana nabange bare ase okogokera amachibwa maya kurinde obosemya mburiga abaibori gendera ko abana baino moyo asigre
Getembe Technical Training Institute nigo ekurwa amegeri jechikosi ao bunabono building and construction kusobwagachi abwasaba kwegeria obwagachi bw'ekinyumba naboigo ebiwanda ao kurobare ekose ya version design garment na dressmaking gose obosoni bw'ekyanga n'ebintu ao abu ase bari nambeyemo asogotwara machine chekerero nebinde binge nkwegerie bare amangana a beauty and hair dressing aigon kwegerie bare igore pedicure manicure barbering braiding plating na yande amange ICT aigono institute ye ebwatachi computer nebinto ebinge byokwegeria ICT gwetania skuru ndiyunse era sorgongoroiga
asamalieta nkuru alipatu maliba mwalimu omonene Getembe Technical Training Institute serikali yakolire buya sana asogotwa institution igwecha Asanya ase ng'encho etagete komenta ochusi ase abana bali bakole skuru ase isemi cy'obufundi nabo boliri moleta abana weche skuru linde banyore system cy'obufundi biyamo
boigon kwegeria bare electrical engineering power option boigon neroro asaba kwegeria iguriye chinguru cy'umuriro bw'estima na kubeka chinguru ecyo ase emeche n'iki company ao secretarial na plumbing katiye chindi chinyingi munabono social work human resource management nigo bakora chikosi echi ase ebiringo bya artsan use short courses certificate na diploma nigo ebwate aborokia babwate obumanyi bebire ngubikiro muno mbaitiri ne wizarega megeria yega nabo ndebwensi akwegerigwa inchobono utari kubwate kegori utari kubwate no mumurore usino mweseke Getembe Technical Training Institute niki kutoka kilomita moyoka kurosomochi umugwagwa asepare nene yilami yakuro ikonge kogenda chebera
inche Kennedy Mongare Ongaga, a Dean of Student, Getembe Training Institute. Iga karokwaretiro mwana wa Getembe security gere guarantee. At present, abana tuwate 600 in all the departments. Togoson. Na yonyolire kwareto mwana atuare skills tokonye Kenya.
Asamange bakiresimi asinamba 0713985300. Getembe Technical Training Institute, skills for self-reliance.
Noganye kukolerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino emijega au bunabono housewarming parties engage